Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment for more.
Hilda Baci is on the news, basically on everyone's lips right now. From being just an amazing chef that hails from Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria, to winning $5,000 in a jollof battle in 2021 against a Ghanaian, and now she holds a new Guinness World Record. Over the weekend, the Nigerian chef Hilda Effiong Baci, popularly known as Hilda Baci, taking over social media as they attempt to break the Guinness World Record for the longest cooking marathon by an individual, which was held by Lata Tondon for 87 hours and 45 minutes and will be cooking for 4 days. Guess what? She did it. Done and dusted. The 27-year-old chef took the challenge on Thursday, May 11th, and has been cooking so far, and she has just set a new world record for 100 hours and 40 minutes. Whoa! Say congratulations to you, girl. You rock. And a big shout out to everyone that came out in their numbers to support Comarin. To every member of our team, we say thank you so much. Hilda can't stop winning, as lots of amazing brands are set to offer mouth-watering incentives for a job well done. A trip to Maldives, oh my god, amazing stuff. What a time to be alive.